You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe.
Hi guys, we most welcome. It's 2024 guys, and I feel like you have tumepoteleana sana, but guess what? Bado tuko organizing, bado ina happen, bado tunatoa vitu. December was crazy. Guys wanted to turn the year without clutter. How about you? What happened to you? I don't know about you. Please comment down below and let me know how your 2023 ended and how your 2024 started. So for us today, we are here at Mirvac Baby's shop. Hii shop iko hapa ile building yenye ilikuwa ya Jack and Jill, the new building near bus station. And that's what we are doing today. We are organizing this shop. It's a new shop. And as you can see, unaona mzigo imeingia. So we are going to remove all these things. We are going to unpack and we are going to organize the shop according to the way, we function, just the way we do it all across. We organize shops, we organize offices, and above everything, we organize homes. So today we are doing this baby's shop. Mothers out there, simunaona, mutaona, you will see the things we are going to be unpacking today. So kindly just keep watching, don't leave this space, so that at least you can also see. If you have a place, if you have a shop that probably is giving you stress on how to organize, you don't know how to go about it, call us. Yes, just call us. We will do it. We will help you sort out all those items. And now guys, I want to ask that you don't forget to subscribe, because this space is crazy with the organizing and decluttering tips. And please share the video so that also other people can be able to know that things are happening. Things are happening. It's not just outside there, even right here in Kenya. Organizing, decluttering is happening. So guys, keep it right here.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said
so we're going to be cleaning the shelves now.
I must admit I was relieved,
wiping the floor just in case
I
so that
never
if
wanna
something
play
falls,
happy
it
families
doesn't get
with
dirty.
you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
Ini 30, ini 850, na ini mbili. They are going for 12 pounds. And this one can fit in a pot here. This one is anything. But if you want more, we can talk. Yeah, we can talk. In fact, it is out there. This for stocking for having. Na hii ni kubwa kidogo. We have all labels. Thank you guys. Sorry for the short skit. Asanteni sana for watching. But basically, that's how the shop has turned out. Can you take me? Yes. That's how the shop has turned out. So basically, there's everything in here. Kuna bags, kuna towels, kuna shawls, kuna rompers, heavy and light. Vitu ni mingi. So guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? How is your shop? Is it organized? Storage. My partner's shop is where you are. Just look at how everything has turned out. And now the client is it's very easy for the client to be able to see what is going out of stock, what is not available, what is being asked for more often, what is not visible, anabadilisha. Na kakiti yake itakuwa, but there is nothing on this floor. As you can see, kuna time hapa tunaweza fanya soma. Tunaweza fanya soma sort. But anyway, that is just to show you how it was. You saw how we started. There was so much luggage idea. Situka mmesahau tuwaeke kabisa muone venye kwa tunatoa malage tukianguka nazo. And now what was inside those sack all this. So the clothes tumearrange na sizes. So client atasumbuka anajua 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 18 anajua where to go. So yes, na haka ni kaniubi. Kale kakuzaliwa sasa hiyo. So guys, there is everything. Reach out to us. Angalieni, our contact is down below. Just get in touch with us for any organization issues that you might be having, any organization needs that you might be having, decluttering, sorting, arranging, kama kuna shida yoyote, or a challenge, talk to us. Okay? So guys, it's a wrap. Until next time, see you.